I want to be really clear about what this video is and what it isn't. This video isn't telling you what to do, it is not supporting any political action, and it's not attacking Asmongold. Instead, it's about a pattern in how people think and act. This pattern shows up in stories, games, and real-life politics. The pattern is namely what happens when thinking logically stops being helpful and starts causing problems instead. If you've played World of Warcraft, you might know the story of Stratholme. The city is infected with a deadly plague. The sickness is spreading fast. Anyone who stays will turn into monsters. Arthas, a leader, looks at this and makes a decision that makes sense, at least on paper. If everyone will die anyway, it's better to kill them now and stop the plague from spreading. This moment is very powerful because Arthas is not evil. He's not wrong about the danger. He's just very sure he's doing the right thing. In simple terms, he's certain. And certainty without restraint can quietly destroy everything it touches. But here's what people often miss. Stratholme was not Arthas's choice alone to make. He was not the king. Even though he was part of the Order of the Silver Hand, he bypassed the proper deliberation and acted alone. Those groups and rules exist, so one person's certainty, even if it seems logical, can't make a decision this big alone. Arthas didn't fail because he acted. He failed because he acted by himself. He swapped fairness for urgency. He swapped the normal way of deciding for his own certainty. And he used force instead of agreement. This is where things get tricky. When Asmongold talks about using the Insurrection Act, he isn't trying to be cruel or controlling. He's thinking logically. He wants to restore law and order. He wants to stop things from getting worse. He wants the system to keep working. And that makes sense if you focus on results. But this is when logic can become dangerous. Logic is a tool. How you use it matters. Used carefully, it clears up confusion. Used with too much certainty, it ignores the rules and fairness that hold society together. This is the Stratholme problem. The idea becomes, if the answer is clear, waiting is wrong. And if you believe that, the rules and institutions don't feel helpful. They feel like barriers. This is not about evil, it's about how being too sure can hurt. Here's what's really important though. Asmongold doesn't get to decide this alone, neither do I, and neither do you. In a democracy, decisions like this belong to people we vote for, the laws and the processes we follow, and the systems that share responsibility. Not because these are perfect, but because they stop one person from making huge decisions alone, even if they think they are right. So, even if the Insurrection Act is used correctly and legally, it still changes things. Symbolically and emotionally, it acts like Stratholme. It would confirm the biggest fear of the left, that democracy breaks down and force takes over. It would change the government from a fair referee to a powerful enforcer. It would make groups more divided, and it would make the conflict worse, not better. The peace might last a little while, but the fighting would come back even stronger. It's basically like trying to push a big wave coming your way away. But then, an even bigger riptide hits back. So, this doesn't mean Asmongold is bad. Arthas wasn't bad either. They just share the same problem, being too sure they are right, especially when under pressure. That's why this keeps happening, not because people are evil, but because certainty feels like responsibility. Here's the real lesson from Stratholme. Being certain you're right can make you dangerous without you even realizing it. Not because you're being unreasonable, but because you start to think the normal ways of deciding things don't matter. And when that happens, force feels like the only answer. To conclude, this video isn't telling you what to do. It's asking you to notice a pattern, one that can turn even reasonable, well-intentioned people into sources of conflict. Rationality is a very powerful tool, It can clarify, it can solve problems, it can guide action. But certainty can sharpen that tool into a weapon. Through certainty, even actions taken in good faith can have harmful, even destructive consequences. It's not about evil intent, it's about how being too sure without process or restraint can quietly become a form of harm. That's the lesson of Stratholme, and the warning for all of us.
Remind yourself that overconfidence is a slow and insidious killer.